Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And today we're going to be unboxing this Western Digital 2TB external hard drive. Let's get started. I've been wanting to extend my storage for my YouTube channel for quite some time. Finally found an external hard drive for a really decent price. Let's get ahead and start opening it. Alright, so we got our hard drive here. And how do we open it? Here. Alrighty, so that's it. Everything's right here. Okay, let's take this plastic casing off. Wow, that is a thin hard drive. Remember, if you wanted a 2TB hard drive, it would be like 4 times as thick or 4 times as big. Wow. Nice moves, nice detailing. There's our power cable right there. And let's put that aside. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so here's our power cable. And what do we got here? Where's the English side of this? Okay. There's our technical support and warranty information in God knows how many languages. Close enough. Okay. And that seems to be about it. I'm going to start using that hard drive literally right away. Alright, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, we'll leave links to products like this in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to get future notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, everybody.
Yeah.